Alright, so welcome to today's recap. It's December 20th, 12/20. This is not financial advice. I'm not responsible for losses. Anything I say is purely simulation because I'm not going to throw my intro in here. That's supposed to be an M, but that was the intro. Okay, so we had a AM London session trade, which I like to see because it was a sell model. We needed a retracement. My entry was off the 15-minute fair value gap, and Woody took it on his demo practice account, and he cut it a little bit early, but we had no drawdown. He barely got tapped into this trade, and if it was off the constant encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap, and I'll show you right here. So first trade, I didn't take it. Actually, no, I had a limit set for it, but by the time I woke up, we were already right down here, and we'll go over that. But yeah, we went lower and we aimed for original consolidation, which was the original turtle soup down here that we took out these lows and it pushed us back up higher. So that was a really good long, and this is our short that pushes all the way back down to original consolidation of our market maker sell model. Okay, so now let's go over what happened today. So what I want to tell you guys was 8:30. There's something called the Judas swing, and I wish I could throw this into the thumbnail, but my thumbnail game's gonna be off for a bit. But we had accumulation 8:30. Beyond that, if you have accumulation, whichever move takes out accumulation at our injection of liquidity at 9:30, we take out these lows. We're gonna be long, and if we actually follow through with our Judas swing, we could have held longs since open all the way up here, just way higher up, taking out these eyes, which I messed up on my part. This is the second day we had the Judas swing. 8:30 accumulation, taking out that low slash high. That is a Judas swing. It's a fake out. It's a fake move, and that's what the Judas swing is. Okay, now this is going to be a kind of interesting concept to you guys. This is something I personally just started recommending to people. It's called the Six Sister Consolidation Model. And this is one of our members, or one of our analysts, Algorithmics. He sent it to me so I can go over it. We had a bunch of consolidations. We had an SMT at the highs, but before that, we had SMT inside of our accumulation slash consolidation. So here we rushed up because of the SMT. And our first target is this SMT lower. We have this 130 macro, and this is our 2022 model right here, which is also a turtle soup. So SMT at the highs, everything lines up for a short, and this is what caused this massive dump today. Me personally, if you could see this right here, this was a silver bullet entry that we paper handed. I don't know why I exited early. I was scared of a loss, but we could have held this entire dump because in the back of my mind, it was telling me this looks like a Six Sister consolidation model. So 2022 reentry, we had a turtle soup at the highs, SMT at the highs, everything looked good, and OTE. I think we barely tapped into OTE, but we were well above inside of a premium. So second we entered that 130 macro, we went lower, just straight sliced lower, and it was perfect. And our first target for the short would be low hanging fruit or the SMT, or where the SMT was at. And let me see if I can find it, if I have it saved. I don't have it saved, but this is the Six Sister consolidation model. If you look at ES and NQ, you can see the consolidation. And this is the dump that followed today. Straight through. And I know we shouldn't really be trading these conditions because going over our psychology, the only reason why I'm personally trading, I'm not even trading on my funded accounts to make money. I'm only trading for the people on the server so they can get their accounts up because they trade funded accounts now, or funded evals, and there's a 30-day limit on it. Otherwise, I wouldn't really be taking trades in these conditions. I'd be way more patient. But we ran to almost 300 handles from the high, so it was a pretty explosive day. And this is a silver bullet that we took. I'll go over it real quick. We had this high got taken out inside our silver bullet macro on the 1 minute. So we took out this high, respected this 1 minute for value gap. We took it out. This would have been our short. And right here, the second we were up here, I was just like, all right, let's call it. Even though I'll show you what it was. This was our short right here. Took out that high, tap right back down into it. I wanted to target low. And some people in insurance, I told them to target low too. And our take profit was right here, 7 handles, not even 7. It was actually at the mean threshold of the order block. This is where our entry was, right here. 6.5 handle loss, and I paper handed it because I was scared of us taking a loss. And look at what followed. Probably one of the biggest dumps that we've seen in a while. And if I would have seen this volume, if I would have seen this dump, I would have thrown all take profits out the window. Because what is this on the higher time frame? We are, I will show you real quick. Let's find it. Wait, if we can find it. Okay, here we go. This is a higher time frame market structure shift, which aligns with our bias because we just took out this high, so we're in massive market maker sell model now. So this dump is pretty historical. We could start looking for really good shorts again. This is what we needed to start taking better trades. I want to see what we do tomorrow though, because I'm going to wake up early, do some analysis. That's why I'm not really doing my analysis anymore at the end of these calls, because I can wake up, hop on a live call, and we can trade that way. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So DXY looks like we're going lower, which isn't really what we want to see if we're short biased, but let's go on the hourly and just finalize that. Yeah, it looks like we are going to continue a little bit lower, probably take out this low. So, bullish tomorrow for, or bearish tomorrow for DXY for NQ. I guess it would make sense because we need a retracement. We don't just dump and continue dumping. What's up, Brody? But we don't just dump and continue dumping. We have this far away breaker block right here. And we have this entire range that I at least want to see get retraced back into an OT or a discount. But that's about it. So that's all I really have. Today was an alright day. No notable wins. We took 3 trades in total. The short from London, and I'm pretty sure the silver bullet that I got out a break even at. And the final one. Hold up, let me just make sure. Oh wait, no, we missed that one for the Judas swing. The times in between is just me talking about a trade or just taking trades on paper to see what we did for literally no reason other than we were bored and looking at the charts. So pure accumulation up here, 6 sister consolidation models, which is just a accumulation with a bunch of SMTs and a total soup. But that's about it. That's all we have for today. Be safe.